Hi everyone, good morning. Today I will be working on this big square canvas. It's 32 by 32 inches. It's been a while. I've been a fan of the 28 by 28. So this looks daunting. Most of you know I've been sketching and this is one of the sketches that I made. It can go in different compositions. This is available in my composition cheat sheet. If you haven't downloaded it yet, go check out the description. It's free. It's a glimpse in my botanical sketchbook. So I want to create this sketch, or well, I'm inspired by this sketch. Let's call it that. I do have some very fresh and soft colors, but also quite some neutral colors. I want to start with a very light lemon pale yellow. And that is a color by Winter & Newton. But of course, first I will be wetting this canvas. And this again is my new cotton. It has more texture, but it also dries out quicker. But I love the texture of this. A little hair here. Let's start with this color. Super beautiful, fresh. I did mix it with some water. Just some color on the canvas, so I've a starting point. And I just told you, this canvas dries out quickly. So let's not keep too long. I think working the composition like this is the easiest way for me to start. Last time I acted on one of my sketches, it turned out a little bit different. It's this painting, but I've been loving this painting. Let's add some leaves. The great thing about creating this outline already is that it's so soft. It doesn't matter if I change the composition a bit later. I like that. Now there's more of a gradient going on. Let's bring in some India yellow hue. That's quite a vibrant color, and we will start popping. A light pink. Definitely want to use that in this painting. I hardly use that. Transparent red. Ooh. This painting is all about taking it quite slow and just building. I love the combination of colors like this. It's cool. I love it when the leaves break. Just gives that more of a raw feeling. And that happens when the canvas is drying out. But I think it's beautiful. Let's add now a little bit of burnt sienna. So it's quite a similar color of the transparent red, but more a brownish neutral shade. Just slowly building up contrast. Or this is gonna be a super wild painting or like super delicate. I'm here for both. I really like this start, but I also know we're not even close to being finished. This is gonna take me quite some time. It's something like brown, mostly on the places where I've already been, like here. So now it's definitely becoming more of a fall palette. I do feel like I need to bring back more of the pink, because I do quite like that here. But I also want to use, of course, some sap green. I really love this part, this side. Way too empty over there, isn't it? Oh, I guess I'm filling everything up quickly. I do really like the composition, but it's not clear yet. You know, there's not one big, beautiful focal point. I'm really missing that. You know what? Let's start working with some white. Let's go with pink for that part and the white. Let's see how that looks. Keep building, we keep building, and just keep building, and just keep building. It's coming together a bit more, guys. It really is. This whole part is really coming a lot more together. Yeah, I'm really starting to feel this painting. I started out with very fresh colors, and what do I end with? Absolute autumn palette. I really covered this canvas, didn't I? I feel like I can do even more. I will let this dry. It's already close to dry. I've been working so long on this. It really takes me back to the demonstration I did for my botanical course. If you want to learn this properly, then go check out my course in the description. I'll be back. Signed, sealed, and framed. The process was such a whirlwind, also because this piece is super dense. There's so much to look at. Looks like there's wind blowing through. Yeah, whirlwind it is. Not really a painting of this season. It's almost spring. Definitely an autumn piece. So much to look at. So many colors too. Here you see some pink still shining through. I really, really like this style. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think of this piece, and I'll see you next week, Saturday.